Make your mark, take our lead.
Under the current circumstances, it looks difficult for Ripple to reach $10,000 in price by 2027. Because, unlike Bitcoin, Ripple is not a store of value asset and has different economics. However, it offers good return opportunities in the long run.
Take our lead.
What is the best cryptocurrency? Bitcoin (BTC). The granddaddy of all cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin was first and is the most well-known cryptocurrency on the market. Ethereum, ETH, Ripple, XRP, EOS Bitcoin Cash, BCH, Litecoin, LTC, Chainlink, Link.
Let's help you make your mark.
Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency or digital currency that allows instant payment to anyone and anywhere. Bitcoin was invented in 2007 by Satoshi Nakamoto, and it started working on its pre-stage in 2009. In the beginning, it was used as open-source software.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.